Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can use data validation with the combination of vertical lookup function or Vlookup function in Google Sheets. Yeah, this is my Google spreadsheet, and when I change the employee ID with respect to the employee ID, the department is automatically fetching from this sheet, fetching from this actual data sheet. How I did this? I did this with using both the data validation along with this vertical lookup. So what I'll do is I'll quickly remove this field, okay? Remove the data validation and I'll do it from the scratch, okay? Here also I'll just delete this entire formula for this. Step by step we'll see. First of all, select the employee ID, whatever the data reference may be. Select a item to use data validation. In this particular cell, click on the data here, then click on data validation. So on Excel sheet, usually you will get the options at the top, but on Google Sheet, you will get to set a rule. You need to click on set a rule, and the specified cell is this one, okay, which is C9, okay, C9. And my criteria should be drop down, but drop down from a range of data. So where do I get this data from? So I'll get this data from another sheet, which is from here, sheet 3, and I'll select all the employees. So just select all the employees and just click on OK. Now go to the other sheet. See here, there is a drop down appearing. So this part of setting data validation in the list form or the drop down form is successful. Let us check. Let us click on this done. And we'll link up with this Vlookup function. So to start the formula is equal to Vlookup, I'll write vertical lookup, and this data reference is this cell, okay, which is C9, okay, C9. I should place the comma. Next, I should take the range of data from this sheet. I want the total range of the sheet, so I'm selecting the entire sheet, okay. I'll press on comma here. Next, index. So for example, in this sheet I want this department, so this is the third column, 1 2 3. So I need to give the column index as 3. Then is sorted, no need, I'll just make it to false. I'll open and close the parenthesis and I'll close the Vlookup function. Now I'll head over to sheet 1. See here, security is automatically appeared. So see here, whenever I change to some other index, it is automatically fetching the data from this sheet, okay. 4005 it is security, so you can cross check whether the details are appropriate, means whether you are getting right or not. For 4003 it is the loan section. For 4003 it is the loan section, and this is empty. You can write something, okay. And likewise you can apply this formula, whatever the formula, you can just control C, control A, control C, copy, and you can write something like basic salary, and here you can paste this function as it is, okay. But just you need to change the column index, something like, for example, what is the column index for basic here? Okay, I'll just go to this 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is the column index for this basic salary. So I'll just take this, see here, I'll change it to 4007. Now we'll check 407, and the basic is $2,461. Yeah, see, this is exactly right. Likewise, you can fill up all the data wherever you need. This is how you can use data validation with Vlookup on Google Sheet. This is slightly different from this Excel sheet. A slight difference is there, and I am gonna ask you one thing. If you have questions on this, or if you have questions on Excel sheet, please do ask in the comments. I'm really happy to answer you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.